Imagine stepping into your backyard, pressing a button, and lifting off into the sky in your very own aircraft. It may sound like science fiction, but in 2026, personal aviation is becoming more real than ever. Thanks to breakthroughs in electric propulsion, lightweight materials, advanced flight controls, and compact aircraft design, the dream of personal flight is moving closer to everyday reality. These next-generation aircraft are smaller, smarter, and easier to operate than many traditional aircraft, opening the door to a whole new era of transportation. Some are already taking to the skies, while others are paving the way for the future of air mobility. So, buckle up, because today we're counting down 15 tiny aircraft that are changing personal aviation in 2026. You won't want to miss the incredible machine waiting at number 1. Powerful electric motors, reaching a top speed of 102 kilometers per hour, 63 miles per hour, and offering around 20 minutes of flight time. Advanced features like a ballistic parachute, redundant propulsion, and auto landing system make it impressively safe for recreational flying. Starting at around $128,000, the Jetson One isn't cheap, but it delivers a thrilling glimpse into the future, where personal flight is no longer just science fiction. Richter X4. The Richter X4 is an exciting step toward making personal flight more affordable. Unveiled at CES 2026, this single-seat electric eVTOL features 8 folding carbon fiber propellers, a 100-kilogram, 220-pound payload, 20 minutes of flight time, and a top speed of around 80 kilometers per hour, 50 miles per hour. It also includes a dual battery backup system, autonomous flight assistance, and an emergency parachute for added safety. With a launch price of $39,900, the Richter X4 costs far less than many rivals, making the dream of owning a tiny personal aircraft feel closer than ever. MC-1 eVTOL. The MC-1 eVTOL is a futuristic personal aircraft that makes flying feel surprisingly approachable. Built with a lightweight carbon fiber frame and intuitive drone-style controls, it can be mastered with minimal training. The single-seat aircraft offers 12 to 15 minutes of flight time, a top speed of 80 kilometers per hour, 50 miles per hour, a 160 kilogram, 353 pound empty weight, and supports pilots up to 90 kilograms, 198 pounds. Automatic stabilization and wind compensation enhance safety and confidence in the air. Priced at around €140,000, about $150,000, the MC-1 is an exciting glimpse into the future of personal aviation. Rise Recon. The Rise Recon is a remarkable tiny aircraft that brings personal flight within reach for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals alike. Designed as a single-seat electric eVTOL, it features 6 independent electric motors, a top speed of 63 miles per hour, 101 kilometers per hour, a flight time of up to 25 minutes, and an operational range of about 25 miles. Its self-stabilizing controls and removable battery system make it surprisingly easy to fly. Priced at around $150,000, the Rise Recon offers a thrilling blend of innovation, simplicity, and freedom, making it one of the most exciting personal aircraft on the horizon. Velociter X1. The Velociter X1 is a bold new personal eVTOL that brings the dream of flying closer to reality. Built with a carbon fiber composite cabin and 8 independent electric motors, it offers a top speed of 70 miles per hour, 113 kilometers per hour, a flight time of up to 45 minutes plus a 15-minute safety reserve, and a payload capacity of 260 pounds, 118 kilograms. Advanced features like LiDAR obstacle detection, autonomous flight assistance, and a ballistic parachute put safety first. Priced from $156,000, the Velociter X1 is an impressive glimpse into the future of personal aviation. Cool Fly Standing eVTOL. The Cool Fly Standing eVTOL is one of the most unique personal aircraft you can buy, replacing a traditional cockpit with a stand-up riding position that feels more like a flying scooter. Built with aviation-grade T800 carbon fiber, it reaches a top speed of 100 kilometers per hour, 62 miles per hour, and offers up to 30 minutes of flight time with a 110 kilogram, 243-pound payload capacity. Safety features include AI-assisted flight control, radar-assisted auto-landing, and a ballistic parachute. Starting at around $70,000, with newer versions listed up to $99,999, it offers an exciting and futuristic way to experience personal flight. Opener Blackfly. The Opener Blackfly is one of the pioneers of personal electric aviation, proving that a tiny aircraft can be both practical and thrilling. This single-seat eVTOL features 8 electric propellers, a top speed of 130 kilometers per hour, 80 miles per hour, and a flight range of up to 64 kilometers, 40 miles on a single charge. Built from lightweight carbon fiber composites, it also includes fly-by-wire controls and multiple redundant safety systems. Originally expected to cost around $150,000, the Blackfly helped pave the way for modern personal aircraft and remains an impressive milestone in electric flight. Klysarov Acro. The Klysarov Acro is a striking personal eVTOL concept that reimagines recreational flying with an eye-catching futuristic design. Created by designer Emanuel Klysarov, the tiny aircraft uses Cyclotech cyclorotor propulsion, delivering 360-degree thrust vectoring for exceptional maneuverability and stability. Designed as a 100% electric single-seat aircraft, it also integrates a ballistic parachute for added safety. While still in the concept stage, the expected price is estimated between $100,000 and $150,000. The Acro isn't just about getting airborne. It offers an exciting vision of what the next generation of personal aviation could become. Leo Jet Bike. The Leo Jet Bike feels like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, yet it's designed to make personal flight surprisingly accessible. Instead of exposed propellers, it uses a propeller-free electric jet propulsion system, offering a safer and quieter flying experience. Target specs include a top speed of 60 miles per hour, 97 kilometers per hour, 10 to 15 minutes of flight time, home charging, and a compact 6.5 by 6.5 foot footprint. Built to comply with FAA Part 103 rules, it requires no pilot's license in the US. With a starting price of $99,900, the jet bike is an exciting glimpse into the future of personal aviation. Copter Pack Gen 3. The Copter Pack Gen 3 is a remarkable wearable aircraft that feels like stepping into the future of personal aviation. Unlike traditional helicopters, this backpack-style VTOL lets your body become part of the aircraft, delivering an incredibly immersive flying experience. Built with a lightweight carbon fiber honeycomb frame, it features self-leveling autopilot, intuitive joystick controls, and a 3.1-meter wingspan. Future production targets include a top speed of 200 kilometers per hour, 124 miles per hour, 120 kilograms, 265 pounds payload, and 10,000-foot operating altitude. The Gen 3 is still a prototype, so official pricing has not yet been announced, making it one of aviation's most exciting projects to watch. Volocopter VoloX Pro. The Volocopter VoloX Pro is an exciting new electric multicopter that brings professional-grade technology to personal aviation. Designed with 18 electric rotors and 2 seats, it offers a cruise speed of 70 kilometers per hour, 43 miles per hour, a maximum range of 40 kilometers, 25 miles, and a 154 kilogram, 340-pound payload. Its fly-by-wire controls, modular cockpit, and advanced safety systems make flying easier and more secure than ever. Volocopter says the VoloX Pro will be priced around the cost of a luxury car, making it one of the most accessible premium eVTOL aircraft expected to enter the market by the end of 2026. Kolb Firefly. The Kolb Firefly proves that simple aircraft can deliver unforgettable flying experiences. This lightweight, single-seat ultralight is designed to meet FAA Part 103 regulations, allowing many pilots in the US to fly without a pilot's license. Powered by engines such as the 40-horsepower Rotax 447, it reaches a top speed of around 70 miles per hour, 113 kilometers per hour, with a stall speed of 27 miles per hour, 43 kilometers per hour. Its folding wings make storage and transport surprisingly easy. Available as a kit for around $9,000 to $15,000 depending on configuration, the Kolb Firefly remains an affordable favorite among aviation enthusiasts. Just Aircraft Super Stall. The Just Aircraft Super Stall is proof that a tiny aircraft can deliver extraordinary performance. Built for backcountry adventures, this lightweight bushplane can take off and land in less than 150 feet, making remote locations surprisingly accessible. Equipped with automatic leading-edge slats, Fowler flaps, and engines up to 180 horsepower, it cruises at around 105 miles per hour, 169 kilometers per hour, while maintaining exceptional low-speed control. Available as a kit starting at approximately $41,700 before engine and avionics, the Superstall offers incredible versatility, rugged capability, and endless adventure for pilots who love exploring beyond traditional runways. Wisk Generation 6. The Wisk Generation 6 is redefining what the future of flight looks like. Unlike most tiny aircraft, this fully autonomous electric eVTOL is designed to carry 4 passengers without a pilot, making urban air travel safer and more efficient. It features 12 electric propellers, a cruise speed of 222 kilometers per hour, 138 miles per hour, and a flight range of 144 kilometers, 89 miles. Advanced autonomous flight systems and multiple redundant safety features set it apart from the competition. With an estimated price of around $2.5 million, the Wisk Generation 6 is built for commercial air mobility rather than personal ownership. Eve eVTOL. The Eve eVTOL is a sleek electric aircraft designed to transform urban travel with comfort, efficiency, and safety at its core. Developed by Embraer-backed Eve Air Mobility, it features 8 dedicated lift rotors and dual electric pusher propellers in a lift and cruise configuration. The aircraft is designed to carry 4 passengers plus 1 pilot with a range of up to 100 kilometers, 60 miles, while producing far less noise than a helicopter. Although the official price has not been announced, industry estimates place it at around $2 to $3 million, positioning it as a premium urban air mobility solution.